Welcome back to my channel. My name is Miranda, and tonight for dinner we are going to make Instapot spaghetti. So make it all in one pot, easy to clean up, and it doesn't take that long to make. So let's make this together. Go ahead and push the saute button on your Instapot and let it warm for about 5 minutes. Add your ground beef or ground turkey to your Instapot. Season with some garlic powder, basil, salt, and pepper. Cook your meat until it's no longer pink in the middle. Now that your meat is done cooking, go ahead and turn off the saute. Add 1 jar of pasta sauce, and then you're going to mix the pasta sauce with the ground beef or turkey that you use. Next, we're going to add our spaghetti noodles, and you're just going to want to lay them flat, but you're not going to mix the spaghetti noodles with the meat sauce. Now go ahead and add your water, but do not mix this. Place your lid on your Instapot, and then you're going to move your valve to the sealing position. After that, you're going to push pressure cooker, and you're going to cook this for 5 minutes. Once it's done cooking, go ahead and move your valve to venting and let all the pressure release. Once the pressure is released, go ahead and remove your lid, and then you're going to mix your pasta and the meat sauce all together. Hope you enjoyed this little Instapot recipe. If you like recipes like this, definitely give me a thumbs up, comment below, make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you at my next video.